Hello and welcome to smartstudentcanada.com. This is the only channel that provides relevant and practical information to students who want to study in Canada. How international students can survive Canadian weather. When you hear the word Canada, one of the first pictures that comes to your mind is of its bitterly cold winters. So, whether you are thinking of studying in Canada or are already there, be ready. Canada's winter lasts around 4 to 5 months, November to March, which is nearly identical to India's, but with one major difference: they may be bitterly cold. Here are a few short ideas to help you stay warm and endure the chilly Canadian winter days and nights. Number 1. Know the location. Canada is the world's second largest country. It's no surprise that it experiences a variety of weather conditions in different parts of the country. The west coast of Canada, near the Pacific Ocean, is warmer than the rest of the country, including cities like Vancouver, Victoria, etc. The winters in this part of the country are not as harsh as they are in the rest of the country. Due to the pouring winds, the eastern coast, which includes towns such as St. John's, etc., experiences mild to severely cold winters. Depending on the season, location, and winds, areas in the mid-region such as the Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, and others may have bitterly cold winters in patches. So before you depart, it's a good idea to check the weather forecast. Number 2. Cover up in layers. The winters in the northern Canada are not to be taken lightly. Layers are required, starting with thermals or innerwear, then regular clothing, a favorite sweater or jumper or hoodie, a well-insulated jacket, muffler or scarf, cap, gloves, and snowshoes. The list goes on and on. But believe me when I say that layering is the only way to endure the winters in majority wintry cities like Toronto and Montreal. Invest in a solid pair of snow trousers and snow boots if you will be staying in a location with a lot of snowfall. Make sure that the majority of your clothing is waterproof, especially if you are going to be outside in the snow. Number 3. Don't stay out longer than required. All buildings, vehicles, and subway stations are properly insulated and equipped with a central heating system. To make traveling easier, the city department keeps the road and sidewalks clean. In reality, most buses and trains have updated timetables that you may use while transportation apps to plan your outside activities. It's preferable to go outside for short walks or to perform important tasks. Limit your extra outdoor activities if you aren't used to intense cold. Number 4. Check the weather every day. It's usually a good idea to check the weather forecast before going outside for any activity. Also, make sure to check both the real and feels like temperatures. This will allow you to dress appropriately and determine whether you need to bring an extra layer for later. Also, whether or not you need to bring an umbrella. Number 5. Eat and sleep well. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to eat well. Maintain a healthy carbohydrate to protein ratio and exercise to keep your body warm and fit. When you are in the middle of a Canadian winter, the most important thing to remember is to have fun. Seasonal changes bring with them a slew of new things to try. Ice skating and skiing, for example, are activities you may not have tried in India. Give them a try. There are so much to do. Make a snowman, visit ice sculptures, and so forth. Prioritize quality above money when purchasing winter apparel. Prefer to use well-insulated subways and public transportations. If you are wearing cotton-based clothes, static shocks are typical, but metal surfaces should be avoided. In the snow, take care and choose waterproof footwear with a good grip of friction. It's useful especially as the snow melts, which can be very slippery. keep lip balms, moisturizers, cold creams and hand lotions on hand to avoid chapped lips and hands. If you want to know more about the percentage required to study in Canada or the fees required to study in Canada as an international student, visit our website. Kindly let us know the topics you would like us to cover in the following video, or if you have any queries. We will provide solution to all your questions in our next video. If you like this video or you want to keep watching similar videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications for a new video that we will be publishing on this channel. Also, let your friends and family members access helpful information by sharing this video. Best of luck and have an incredible journey.